Administrator, for calling this important hearing on simplifying the tax code. For American small business, I'd also like to extend my thanks to our witnesses today, especially our friend from my constituent from my district, who's taken the time out of their schedule, will provide us some important testimony today. The present tax code, it's hard for me to believe, but I wanted our people to look at that, has 67,000 pages long. 67,000 pages. The Internal Revenue Service says it takes an estimated 37 hours to complete the 1040 short form, the most basic tax return that we have. So it should come as no surprise that a recent survey conducted by the Tax Foundation revealed that 4 out of 5 adults think the tax code is way too complicated and complex, while 85% say the system needs to be completely overhauled. Small business are the most prolific job creators, creating 70% of the jobs nationwide, but small businesses have taken the brunt of this current recession downturn. I know my experience being involved with the Florida Chamber, the chairman of that, about 4 or 5 years ago. In our federation, we had 137,000 businesses. Most of them were small business, 90%, 50 employees or less, and as I stated earlier, created 70% of the jobs. It does concern me that the administration has proposed several tax changes or policy changes that I think will have a very, very negative impact on small business. Instead of raising taxes, we should be encouraging an environment that creates jobs and investment. I know myself, being in business for 30 years as someone self-employed, I can tell you most small businesses have pass-through income. And so someone making $200, a lot of these small businesses might make $400, but they only take home $60, $70. They're putting the money back in there. They're paying their taxes. Most small businesses are sub-S, LLCs, partnerships, sole proprietorships, and that is all pass-through income. It's a job they can't create. It's a piece of equipment they can't buy. While Fortune 100 businesses hire an army of lawyers and accountants to find loopholes, exemptions, deduction in the tax code, small businesses are forced to dig deep into their pockets for help and simply just trying to comply with the law. So I look forward to the hearing today with our witnesses, and I yield back.